Alright, if you're using ChatGPT to write SEO articles, then it is very important to generate consistent humanized articles. Now, if I tell it how to invest in AI and if I hit enter, and it's gonna give you some random things which fetched from the internet, which is pretty general. But if I want to write it as a blog article and then take it to the Quillbot or any humanizer, then it is not humanized, right? We think it is humanized, but there are still some AI influence going on in between this text. Now, instead, the simple trick which is what you can do, what I have doing for my clients, basically, if you want one-on-one consultation, if you're a brand owner, if you want to rank your website, you can book a call with me. It costs you literally zero. It doesn't cost you anything. I will help you how to do that. We're gonna get into one-on-one personalized call, and we can discuss. By the way, okay, one of the simple trick which I use is I go to the Gmail. So Gmails, many copywriters write some Gmails to me. So I've been subscribed to good copywriters. So this is one of the good copywriters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy whatever he has. I'm going to copy whatever he has written and take it to the Arvow. Now Arvow is a AI SEO blog writer and also automation. Now I have automated, I use this tool very much, and this is the tool we have been working. The link will be in the description, you can check that out. So I can literally go here, click on add knowledge base. I can simply type, give a name to knowledge base and click on create knowledge base. And once I create a knowledge base, I can add an assets. I can add as many as this is a copywriter text document. I can also upload a PDF text document, or also I can link to a website. I can also upload a PDF. I can also add a text document. This is the style and tone I want the articles to write. The knowledge base can be used for anything, whether you want to write a repeated articles, or whether you want to copy the tone, or whether you want some information to put up here. Let's just say my website is, so let me just go back at the end. My website is arvow.com, and click on add asset, and that's it, you're done. And whenever you try to go write an article, so if I go to the overview and click on SEO article, and here input a keyword, so let's just say how to invest in AI, and click on add keywords. So once I add keywords, what I can do is I can simply click here edit input, and here if I go to the knowledge, and you can see by default it is connected to the web, which means it pulls resources from the web. But I have already created a knowledge base which you can use, so I'm going to click use knowledge base, and here I'm going to select the knowledge base which I want to use to write articles. That's it. And I can also limit the knowledge and click on save changes, and then you can customize it if you want anything else, and then you click on article, and that's it. There you go. You will create a consistent humanized articles. Now it won't be 100% humanized, but better than telling the ChatGPT itself to humanize. Better than that, because Arvow is trying on many SEO humanized articles, which is ours, and it is trying to write a humanized version. So that's it. Catch you on the next one.